So some people have actually lost their hard-earned money just because they do not possess the proper document they need to claim ownership to a particular property that they have purchased. So in this video, I'm going to be mentioning some important land documents that you need to have as a real estate investor. So stay tuned in this channel. Welcome back, guys. I am THE.REALTOR and I am a real estate expert that is based here in the city of Enugu, Nigeria, and I help smart individuals buy and purchase real estate properties that will yield them maximum return on investment. Okay, so in this channel I dish out values, tips and insights that you need to know about real estate and real estate investment. So in today's video we are going to be talking about the important documents that you need to have as a real estate investor. Okay, so let's head right into it. So the first title document that I'm going to be talking about is the CFO documentation. Okay, so if you're a frequent real estate investor, you should be familiar with the CFO document. Okay, so this CFO document is usually issued by the state government, and this document affirms legal ownership to a particular property. So this CFO document basically serves as proof that a particular individual and entity is recognized as the rightful owner to that property. This CFO documentation is usually pivotal in any real estate transaction. Okay, so basically it serves as proof that a particular piece of land is being owned by an individual. Okay, one thing about this CFO documentation is that this documentation is issued only once, and it has a duration of 99 years, and that's a long period of time. So what this means is that only one person is being recognized as the original owner of a CFO, and the person's name is being registered in the Ministry of Land. And that is why when you see lands with CFO documentation, they are usually way more expensive than lands without a CFO document. Okay, so moving on to the next document. This document is usually underrated, and I've had a lot of clients reject a property because the property didn't have a CFO document attached to it, but they actually fail to realize that with this document you can also claim ownership to a property any day, anytime at a law court. Okay, so what is this document I'm talking about? It's called a deed of assignment. So what exactly is this deed of assignment? A deed of assignment is a document or an agreement that shows the transfer of title, rights and interest of the seller to the buyer. So basically all the title rights of the seller is being transferred to the buyer. Okay, and that is why most of the times this document is considered as a must in every real estate transactions. Okay, so in a case scenario where Mr. A has a CFO land and wants to resell to Mr. B, okay, what then can Mr. B do? Mr. B can call a property lawyer to draft out a deed of assignment whereby both the buyer and the seller now signed, agreeing that there is a transfer of all the rights that Mr. A has to Mr. B. Okay, so most of the times people fail to realize that it's not just about getting a deed of assignment, you also need to perfect that deed of assignment. So how then can you perfect a deed of assignment? You can do this by going to the Ministry of Land to register this deed of assignment. That is now when you are now certified. That is when you are now recognized as the current owner of that property. Okay, so this deed of assignment is usually important, especially when you are buying from an individual, because most reputable real estate companies, they have property lawyers that draft out this deed of assignment and register them at the Ministry of Land. But when you are buying from an individual, it's advisable that you get your own property lawyer to do this process for you. Okay, so the next title document that is also very important is the governor's consent. So this governor's consent is also an important document. Okay, so it's a document that shows the legal transfer of rights from the seller to the buyer, and this governor's consent can be gotten with your deed of assignment. So all you need to do is just take your deed of assignment to the Ministry of Land, and then you pay a fee before you are then issued a governor's consent. Okay, and note that you can claim right to a property with a governor's consent. Okay, so the next document I'm going to be mentioning is a survey plan. So a survey plan is not necessarily a title document. However, this document is also very, very important because you use it to obtain your title documents such as the CFO, the governor's consent, and deed of assignment. Okay, so this survey plan is usually issued by a licensed surveyor, and it usually displays the land site, the location of the land, the description, and then the landmarks of that land. Literally, like everything in that land is being found in the survey plan. But this document is not a title document, so you cannot use it to claim ownership to a property. Okay, if you guys have watched this video to this moment, please give this video a like and please share this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. So moving on to the last document I'm going to be mentioning for today's video, the power of attorney. So this document is, I wouldn't say it's a title document. It's not necessarily a title document because it does not transfer legal rights to the buyer. Okay, however, this document gives the buyer the right to do whatever the previous owner has right to do in that property. Okay, so I hope you guys found this video valuable and insightful. If you did, please like and share this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to this video if you loved this content. Okay, I remain your favorite Enugu State Realtor, Realtor D, and I am committed to helping smart individuals make the right real estate decisions and investment. So I'll see you guys in my next video.